Today we're going to use the V-ZUG Combi Steamer to prepare a Peking duck with crispy skin. We're going to use 3 functions for that. First, steam, then later on hot air steam, and to crisp up the skin, just hot air. Here in front we have a duck, we have some cloves, nutmeg, pepper, ginger and cinnamon. For the marinade we're using also some soy sauce and honey and some orange zest. To serve it later on, condiments, we have some pancakes, hoisin sauce, cucumber and some coriander and shallots. Take all the dry spices and mix it in the bowl. Then take 1 spoonful of the spice mix and put it inside the duck. Then we take only 1 spoon of soy sauce, mix it with the spices and brush it on the outside of the duck. To steam the duck, we put it on the perforated tray and put it in the oven with a drip tray underneath. Drip tray on level 1. Duck on level 2. We go to the main button, select steam, cooking time 30 minutes and start. This V-ZUG Combi Steamer has many functions. So steam, hot air steam and hot air all in the one appliance. Here we go, the steaming is finished. So now we're gonna change the setting to hot air steam. Hot air steam, temperature 190 degrees. And we're going for 30 minutes and start the process. Here we go. And now we're taking the cooking tray as well as the drip tray. Now we're going back to the oven. Stop the process, then we select hot air. Going hot air, temperature 230 degrees, and we preheat the oven, start the process. Now we're going to get the duck back in the oven once the oven is preheated, and we're going to do that for 5 minutes and start. I love this V-ZUG Combi Steamer because I can do the 3 functions in the one appliance. That's efficiency.